Damn! And with Marlon hanging here.
Thank you.
Marlon! Bendo! Marlon's fish.
Molding.
Okay, go.
Doon, huli! Yeah! Yes!
Yay!
Yes!
Yay! Thank you, Goofy! Thank you, Goofy! Goofy!
Goofy!
Goofy! Goofy! Goofy! Goofy! Goofy! Goofy! Oh! Look at this fish and the tango. Everybody's line is there. Welcome to Dong
Inday
Adventures. Ooh.
Brian, is he like Filipino guy or something? Yeah.
Okay guys, now we are here in our charter. We are leaving at 9 p.m. Where's the actors? I need actors and actresses. Look, we need a Halloween. We need a Halloween costume. Halloween costume. Halloween costume. Ah, look at these guys here.
What's up? Let's go.
Yay! We're gonna fish tomorrow. Ariel, Alan, the Castro family. Albert over there. Uncle Nathan, Marlon 220. And oh, Walter? Yeah, Walter. And look at that. The Filipino mafia. This is the lechon killer. I think.
Pacquiao.
Oh, what's this? Huh?
Alam mo, urungan kita ha. Nandito lang ako. Peace.
Ay, uwi pala. Where are you going?
Oh, fishing.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You have tuna.
We are here at the Thunderbird. This is our boat. That's Papa Jose. Hi! Hi! Nah. Ihumok na siya, no?
Oh. The ribs. Pages. There you go. Yum. It's good. Yum.
How's that? Out of the fridge. Perfect.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Ayos.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Fishing.
Ayos.
Tuna.
Pang Halloween costume. Woo! You're gonna bring it there. Yun, pinagmanahan pala si Gertie, si Hilbert. Bite digs! Bite digs! Tatay digs! Tay, lingit diri gamay tay. Smile. Smile. Ah!
All you got is a smile.
Digs on the move! Land that fish, tay. Land that fish. Say a prayer too. You need it. You need it so bad. Clean on the move.
Hold on, he's got to go underneath. How long is your top shot? 70 feet. Nice fish.
Nice.
Yeah, Glenn.
Whoa! Good job, Glenn.
Yeah! 100 pounds, baby.
Glenn.
Big pounds, 100 pounds.
There you go.
Oh yeah, beauty.
What is that, Tito?
To the way.
Tanduay. Wow, that's important. Nice.
His wife needs to come home.
Are you Wilma?
Captain, you have a visitor.
I'm Paula.
Oh God. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, lay back like that. There you go. Oh.
Hook up.
Start it up, straight back. Give me dippers. Start it up. Stop just right there. 120 to 180. 120 to 180.
Oh, 120. Nice fish.
It's okay.
Ay.
We'll get the guys there on the next one.
Colin.
Got gas.
Matthew's third fish. Hopefully first to land.
Some color?
That's a good size. Yes!
Yeah.
Finally! Matt!
Sorry guys, I couldn't finish the fight.
This is
My
okay.
third fish. Had a pulled hook on that last fish, and I fought one. The first one, I just jazzed out.
Well, you landed the third one. Good job.
Thank you guys. Woo! There we go. Colin, this is your fish. Thank you.
Welcome.
Oh, nice one. I fought it for a while, but it just after fighting three fish today, I'm pretty gassed.
Probably about, what, 90?
So what number? 25. Oh, this is definitely over 100.
yeah?
Right?
Matt! Yay!
Yeah, let me take some pictures.
Watch out, still kicking. Ooh. Strong man.
He's going up.
So Alan right now is throwing the crowd. The crowd is here. The audience impact. Alan! 80 on 80. I think he got whatever is that. It's gonna be biggie. He's been fighting for an hour now. I am watching Alan's fish. Alan. Alan. Look at me, Alan. Why you lost your fish?
Look at the hook. Straighten up.
Oh shoot. Damn. Nice straight yung hook.
Ito din yung ginawa.
Yeah, but before.
I'll hold this fish.
Mga busy kayo. Tito Alex on the move. There you go. He's fighting his fish. It's been a while. Tidex. Kuya Conrad. Yan na ako nakakuha. Ayaw, bukti tayo! Si. Obos, obos, obos. Reel, reel, reel. Angat. Pagbaba, reel. There you go. Pump, 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 pump.
You go, girl.
Yeah.
Malen! Down! And with Malen hanging here. Malen! Bendo! Okay, go.
Yun, huli!
Yes! 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 Yay! Thank you, Goofy! Thank you, Goofy! 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 Thank you, Goofy! Our angel! Yeah!
Malen. Mane. Go big, Paula's looking for you. Yeah. Pacific-sided dolphin right here. It's a beautiful day.
So guys, we are almost at the landing. We just had our 2 days fishing trip. He got the 300 slip.
300 dreams. 300 sleep. I got the 300 dreams.
This guy also is a member of the No Cuts Club like me.
I go with my buddy, big boat.
Oh, tuna slayer. Wow, 5 hook, 2 landed.
Nice meeting you. Nice fishing with you.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Hey.
That was fun.
Ah. Oh, these guys too.
You are the best.
When is your...
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Jay. Thank you so much.
Hey,
Thank you for the
Charlie.
invitation. Thank you, buddy. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Until next time.
You guys have a nice family, man. It's a nice family.
Hey, oh yeah.
Yeah. Very good family.
Yep.
I like it. I love it.
Oh, thank you.
And I let you show too. Show.
That's not a show, that's for real. Okay, we just wrapped up our 2 days fishing. There you go. Out of Thunderbird. Felix, what is that?
Sashimi.
It exists. Oh my god.
So out of 3.
It's over on his collar.
Yeah.
Got it, man.
Nice. What you got there, Dong?
I got the big carcass.
Oh. And this is your charter master signing off. Thank you. Tight lines, fish on. Till next month, we'll be having another trip. Thank you, guys. guys, thank you for the successful charter. This is Dong Inday Adventures signing off. I represent Inday because Paula was here earlier. Bye.